Safara? Stony is on the B-way train back to the house. She like, listen, we don't do outdoors. We don't do outdoors. They like,
She's like, no,
You wanna go back?
I want to be inside.
I want to go back.
They're like, please don't abandon me.
Y'all got to grow up, man. Y'all can't be babies forever.
That's what you just said. Girl, come on. She's kind of getting used to it, I think. Like, no.
Look at this one. They are so resistant. Well, at least you walking. She like, yes, back to the house. Back to the house.
Nope. We're not going back nowhere. She almost scratched me on the hand again.
Safari's like, yeah, I'm just chilling.
Can we switch?
No.
They're so adorable, though. Let's go.
Come on, we're going for a walk. Let's go.
Yep, you're gonna get used to it soon. They need to be in front of me.
They got to be tired doing all this pulling back.
They have to be tied up.
And they got to be tired.